this is more what I've been looking for. We got a hard turn in the river. A little bit of flow, not a ton, but I don't know where it's gonna be deeper. It's like 3-4 feet deep there. Oh, that was immediate. Wow. Yeah, this is more what we're looking for right here. Well, river rats, the river I've been fishing is pretty awesome. The fish get big, you never know what'll show up, but it's really polluted, more polluted than I would, want to eat a fish out of. But this river is not, and we're trying to catch something to eat. So let's go. Somebody decided to roll around in a turd earlier, so he got a, nice chilly river bath. Seems to be bouncing back okay. He still doesn't smell very good. Yeah, this little creek right here, it's definitely gonna have some channel cats in it, maybe some blue cats in it, and I'm bringing live baits. Although the cut bait will still probably play more. I'm gonna throw a live bait out there anyway, just to see if we can't stumble across the flathead. Tell you what'd be perfect is if we could stumble across like a 5 to 10 pound flathead, then we're frying him up. But not holding my breath. It's not the actual like best time of year for that, but you never know. All I know is I'm not gonna catch anything talking, so we're gonna get the kayak in the water. I just cleaned my kayak off. Oh, that bank dropped right off. Okay, we're floating. Still need my banker. My feet are still gross. I was hoping to be tied off to the bank for just a second to clean my feet off, but my kayak decided otherwise. Yeah, if you ever wonder why I have these notches cut into the paddle blades, that's why, for hooking branches, or in this case, my bank stick. Okay, this is about as good as it's gonna get, Skip. All right, let's go try to catch something to eat, bud. Yeah, I would imagine there's definitely something living here. This is like super unique. Got this tree that fell across a long time ago, and it's been there so long, dirt's piled up. And you got this little funnel that I'm sure is cut out pretty deep water. Everything's relative, so if it's 7 or 8 feet, that's pretty good little hole. All right, this stick's kind of in the way. Can we move it? The downfall of these little rivers is stealth does matter, because we're gonna have to get right on top of these fish, essentially. I mean, there could absolutely be fish right there. I don't want to spook them if I can help it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be stable, or sturdy. My fishing rod's stuck in a tree. For cut bait, I got some chads straight out of the cooler. Guess we'll put a sinker on here first. And I also have some goldfish. Yeah, for the little rod, I'm gonna run just little, or not little, but smaller chunks of shad. Hopefully small enough, a 1 pounder, I'll eat it because they taste the best. And I imagine winter time on a small stream like this, the bulk of what's in here is going to be pretty small. In the spring, they run up these creeks and then the bigger fish do. And you get all kinds of stuff, but after that, the numbers just keep dropping and dropping and dropping. That was like 2 feet deep. Yeah, it's probably about 3. With the bigger rod, I'm gonna try some goldfish. I might just switch to bigger chunks of shad, depending on how that goes. I lip hook most of my baits during the day because they're gonna get casted out and reeled in and casted out and reeled in. And that was right on top. That's like a foot deep. That's crazy. There's like no water in here. I figured for sure it would be quite a bit deeper, but it does not appear to be so. Yeah, it's like a foot. Oh, that's on the snag. Try and tuck it in behind it. Wow, that's really shallow. I'll give her a minute. You never know, you know. Oh, we're getting nibbed on the shad though. They don't have to be big. I enjoy catching bigger ones, but he just needs to get on that hook. You hopping out, Skip? See ya. Don't go too far. Don't roll around in any more turds, please. Well, the little cats must have gnawed that bait down to nothing or finally got it off the hook. All right, let's keep looking for greener pastures if we can get Skip back in the kayak. Hop in, bud. Okay, cool. That'll work. Well, I see our first blockage. There's almost one even in front of it. We might be able to go under it on one side. I don't know, we'll get up there and evaluate a little bit more. If we hug that right bank, maybe. Maybe not. I'm not holding my breath. Should have brought my saw. I think I can see where I could definitely saw a path. It's gonna be close. I'm gonna have to do the limbo. Skip, you're jumpy. Somebody's been shooting, got them all wigged out. Let's see. Oh, there's a stick. Oh, we're about to be high centered on one. I could maybe fit under here. Goldfish is stuck. Just get. I can definitely get the kayak under here, but can I get the kayak plus me under here? And I say definitely, the seat might stick up too high. Skip doesn't love this stuff. All right, Skip, slide forward, because I'm gonna have to slide forward. We're gonna do the limbo. Maybe. Holy crap, I think we fit under it. We did it, Skip. Fun. stuff like that makes it feel like a real adventure. This looks like a pretty good little bend in the river. There's like no current though. I will say when there's no current, I try to prioritize fishing areas that have a little bit of current. So I'm gonna start right here where this brush kind of necks everything down. Oop. Watch out, goldfish. Wow, there's just bushes and stumps and all that stuff everywhere. It's kind of impressive, really. I suppose I should probably look for snakes. I'm like, oh, it's cold enough, there won't be any, but there's plenty of turtles. So, the turtles are out, the snakes definitely could be out. I don't mind a snake. I just don't like ones that could kill me. Everybody else is cool. Little goldfish, I ain't gonna throw you far. It's not very deep. We'll give her 4 or 5 minutes probably. And maybe longer. We could definitely pick up an eater here. Heck, we could catch a big fish here. I don't know. I don't know how this river fishes. But if I had to bet, I bet we won't catch a big one. All right, hopefully there's one down there with enough gusto to get that down the hatch. Yeah, it's like a foot deep. Give her 4 or 5 minutes. You know what, Skip? We only got 3 hours of daylight. What are we doing messing around on this marginal, arguably bad looking stuff? Let's keep trucking. Oh, I'm getting bit. At least I thought I was. Oh yeah, I'm getting bit. He definitely acts like he's got slightly more shoulders than the last one that pecked on him for 15 minutes straight. So instead of being a 1/4 pound, this one might be 1/2 pound. Oh, Skip. You don't smell like poop anymore. All right, let's get out of here, Skip. This is more what I've been looking for. We got a hard turn in the river. A little bit of flow, not a ton, but I don't know where it's gonna be deeper. That's like 3 or 4 feet deep there. Oh, that was immediate. Wow. Yeah, this is more what we're looking for right here. Oh, wow. Touch the, oh no, he came off. Oh, that was almost amazing. That was dinner. That was perfect. That was exactly what I was looking for. And he is swimming in water and not destined for grease. I'll try this again. Maybe there's more than one. He just started rolling and pulling and came off. Oh, let's eat it. Okay, we got another one. Stay on this time. We're gonna ski him the best we possibly can. Oh my goodness. Little baby blue cat. Perfect. I don't think I'd want to keep him any smaller than that, but he's gonna taste good. Oh, heck yes. All right, where you at, Stringer? Right there. We'll just cleat him off. Hopefully we're about ready to give him some friends to hang around with. That would be pretty awesome. Wouldn't it be awesome if there's just a pile of them in here? That fell over a log, but that's like 7 or 8 feet deep right there, probably. I know it's hard to imagine there's a log in here, but there is. Get me a goldfish and put a goldfish next to the log. I have a good one. Oh, we're a bit already. Yep. Oh, he's in the log. Get out of there. Oh, easy, wind. I don't know if he's coming out. Be cool. There's a little flathead swimming around in there. Man, if we can't get him out of that tree, that puts us 1 for 3, which isn't great. Come on out. He ain't gonna come on out, is he? Well, oh, we just drug him out. Hell, into a new log. Hey, got him out of that one. Get him on top of the water, then we don't have to worry about it. Another prime eater. Perfect. We were not 1 for 3, we were 2 for 3, Skip. I like that a lot better. Oh man, I'm excited. I haven't caught me a catfish dinner out of the river for a while. And I absolutely love blue cats. Like, channel cats are good, but I think I like blue cats better. And these are perfect eating sized ones. And obviously you don't need gear as heavy as I'm using to catch these, but when you're pulling them out of sticks, it's nice to have just a little bit in reserve. And these are the Zacharias medium lights. They're still a blast on them. Yeah, I got it paired with an Alios 300, which that's a 400. This 300's nice. I don't know, it's the smaller fish are still fun, but you hook a big one, you got some power. And then 50-pound braid and 20-pound leader, and that way if I get snagged, well, on a normal Carolina rig, not the rig I'm using, but you get hung in timber and you snag your hook, then at least you get your sinker back. You break your leader and keep your sinker. It's been 2 minutes and I haven't had a bite. I wonder if dragging that one fish through them sticks spooked the rest of them. We definitely got a dinner for 1. A dinner for 2 if you add enough potatoes, but, oh, come on, eat it. Well, my buddy Dennis was nice enough to set me up to have access to this creek. So I'd like to catch enough fish for us to both be fat and happy about it. It's getting nibbled on like it's stuck in a tree again. He's coming out for the moment. Oh yeah. He looks a lot like the other one. This might be a channel. Yep, it is a channel. Tell you what, bud, the fillet knife's already coming out, so you're gonna join the crowd. And it's funny, you think about it. Like I said, these aren't very big, obviously. But imagine how small the ones that were nibbling and wouldn't eat it were. Okay. We still got bait on there, but I'm gonna freshen it up. Especially considering how much shad we got. There's no shortage of shad in this kayak right now. Yeah. My goldfish getting nibbed? cut bait's getting nibbed. You know what? Let's just go. Let's just try to get it in there. Go straight to the deepest spot. Ooh. Well, there's the log I was getting snagged on. We'll tie off to this stick over here. That is not solid. I got my camping stuff. I thought about camping. This would be a cool place to camp. It's gonna get down to 30 degrees, which for this neck of the woods is pretty chilly. And for my camping, I've camped in temps like that. I just gotta be in the right headspace for it. All right, let's see if anything happens here. It's deep, but it's hanging on a log. I think I popped it off the log. Cool. You want out? It's sunny over there. Skip! Skip! Don't roll around and poop. It's not that deep there. Hopefully it doesn't matter. Skip! What are you rolling around in? I genuinely thought we would slide down a little ways and it would get better. Got a lot to learn on these rivers here. If I just get one more, I'll be very happy. This is an enjoyable spot to fish. Got just a little bit of sunlight pouring through the trees. It's a little bit warmer. It's a pretty nice day. Skip, you hopping back in here, bud? It's like, yeah, right. He ain't done yet. Now he might be. Come on, get her done. Is he gonna stay on? Oh, he is so little. He's probably been on there the whole time. You swallow it? Nope, good. A little bitty blue cat. Itty bitty. Yeah, I bet he's been just swimming around with it. That's gonna be a little bit smaller than I want to keep. Yeah, you're going back. That first one that I hooked and lost, man, he would have been really perfect. It'd be nice to get another one just like him. Come on. Good boy. He just likes hopping in the front. Doesn't want to be too close to me. I'm really hoping for one more. We're running out of daylight. I don't feel like cooking in the dark. Oh, goldfish just got whacked. Just take it. I don't know if a gar took a swipe at the goldfish or if we got something a little more exciting playing around here. Oop. Oh, ripped it right out of his mouth. Skip, we're gonna paddle back. It's sunnier over there, so you'll be warmer. Don't worry. The fillets are filleted. Now we just need to get the rest of this stuff put together. Been craving some fried fish. Wouldn't go so far as saying I'm having fried fish withdrawals. I don't know, I suppose you could say that. If you're worried about the sanitation level here, I would describe it as sanitary-ish. But you get that grease hot enough, it should kill everything, right? Whatever the grease doesn't kill, the hot sauce should be hard on it too. Oh, there's a leaf in there. How did that happen? Right. Do you even know what you're barking at, Skip? I believe the correct answer to that would be no. No, he does not. All right, that lit right up. I like that. Just going with what I got, which isn't much. When I say not much, I'm talking about sides. I do have some tortillas. I'm going to eat them on a tortilla, because I have tortillas. But as far as sides go, I don't really have anything. This quantity of fish, probably, there's a decent amount. Enough to feed like a normal person. Not saying I'm abnormal, although I probably eat an abnormal amount of food. How many of these are opened? Got 2 open ones, 1 unopened one. Sounds about right. Oh, that's good. Something popped. These flames are big. I got her about maxed out. Okay, we'll transfer these over to the breading baggie. And the bigger catfish, I will chunk up the fillets, but these smaller ones, just doing the whole fillet. Okay, that's good. Is that grease hot already? Oh yeah, it's hot already. So this catfish is going to be amazing for a multitude of reasons. One, it's fried. Anything fried is pretty darn good. But 2, it is, you know, the good eating size. Them smaller catfish tend to have less of that red meat on them and tend to taste the best. And then it came out of pretty cold water, like 50-some degree water. That makes it taste even better. So that was a little early on the flippage there. It's like round 1 of 2. Oh yeah, that one's done. My timing was a little off. Not too bad, but a little off. Okay, halfway there. That's a bigger fillet. Probably should have cut that one in half, but We're gonna let her ride. Make room, boys. I'm gonna try not to jump the gun on these and just wait till they're good and done. Oh yeah, that one's done. The perfect kind of done. What these big dogs? I think they're done too. Yeah, the more I look at that, the more I think we're gonna have plenty to eat. So Skip's in luck. He's gonna get plenty of leftovers. Plus, you get your dinner too. That's some of the best fried fish I've had in a long time. Like, not even joking. Blue catfish is growing on me immensely. It's not walleye, but it's super, it's hard to concentrate, Skip. Sit. Sit. Stay. Sit. Sit. That's not a sit. But like I was saying, it's super mild, white, flaky. And I love all of those things. And it's not super flavorful, which makes it really versatile. You know, you can do a lot of things with it. It's still gonna be good. It's got really good texture. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. It's a very delicious ending. Like, I'm not even joking. This is, like, I love all fried fish, but there's levels to everything, and this is pretty darn good. Anyway, really appreciate you watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Saw movement out of the corner of my eye. I apologize, but Skip did too. Yeah, if you want to support me, check out sponsor links. They're in the description, along with discount codes that save you a little extra and help me out, and it's much appreciated. And you know, just appreciate you watching. Hope you catch a giant.